Right, here's one of the little babies with the dad. It's quite big for a little one. Get him, feed me. Go on, give him some. Feed yourself, he's saying. See, you can feed yourself, you don't need your dad to feed you. Stay there, keep feeding. Cute. There's his dad again. Go on, eat more. They're learning to eat by themselves. He's probably never seen so much food apart from one meal a time from his mum or dad, but now he's got an abundance in front of him. He's learning, he can have what he wants.